Good morning, YouTube. My name is Vince, and welcome back to my channel, Fern Valley Farmer. On this channel, we are pure country, and I have an assistant today. Say hi.
Hi.
There you go. Want to get on camera? No. Okay. What we're gonna do? If you're watching this video, it worked. We're gonna talk about after you extract your honey. You want to make sure your honey is at the proper moisture level in it. Obviously, if you're when you take your frames out of your hive and they're all capped, nice and white, the bees have done the job for you. So if they're capped, all white, it's ready to be extracted. Obviously, that's why we do this. But you still can't hurt to check it. Your moisture level with your honey should be anywhere between 17 and 18%. But like I said, when you pull your frames out, if they're all capped white, the bees have done the job for you. They're capped to the proper moisture content. If it's not capped, you don't want to extract it. That means there's too much moisture in it still. When the bees cap it, they've pulled all the moisture out of it towards at the proper level where it won't ferment. So if you're extracting honey and you got some frames that aren't capped and you're spinning it in your honey, if you have 10 frames of capped and maybe one frame of uncapped, it might not make a difference. But if you got a whole bunch uncapped and a bunch of capped and you spin it together, your moisture level might be off. I wouldn't do it personally. So just basically spin your frames that are all capped white. I've had some frames that were like 3/4 capped. I spun them and it turned out fine. The whole point of this video is to measure your moisture content. And this little tool right here is called a refractometer. You can find these, you can find them at Bee Supply. I found this on eBay. I think they're like $20. What this thing does, and we're going to try this. That's where my camera assistant person is going to come in handy. Let me put this down. How this works is there's a little, let me get up here. There's a little door on here. You lift the little door, you put a little bit of honey right there. You look through here into the sun, and there's a reading inside there. So I'm going to get this thing set to where it's supposed to be. Then we're going to try and hold this to the camera, and we're going to see if this works. So my assistant will put a little bit of honey. You don't need a whole lot. I'll show you. Fern Valley Honeybees, good honey. Okay, anyways, that was my commercial. Put a little bit of honey on there. You don't need much. Like that. Just get your honey on there. You can run it around. Damn, that's good. Put your thing on there. Push the little door down on it. And what you do is you take your meter and you look into the sun, and you can see, and that's where it's at. I'm going to try and show you this here, but all you do is look in the sun here. This is right in between 17 and 18%. It's 17 3/4, but you're fine. 17 and 18%, you're good. So I'm going to try and show you this. Okay, when I go back to this video and look at it, I don't think it came out right. Yeah, that's it. So that didn't quite work the way I want, but this is really simple. You just get yourself one of these. But like I said, if you're extracting honey that's already capped, you really don't need this. I guess I just like to spend money once in a while, right? It's only money. But it is kind of fun to play around with this stuff. But like I said, all you do is put it on the end, look right in there. It's got your moisture level. It's got your temperature in Celsius, which the temperature of this is 44 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure if that's the temperature of the honey. I think that's what that means. And then it's got BRIX, a percentage, which is about 80. But when you read this, it goes straight across. So this is just at like 17 3/4. That's where you want your honey to be at. So anyways, like I said, when I go through this, if it worked, great. If it didn't, that's all you got to do. Just get yourself a refractometer if you want. You could turn this and just focus it to your eye. It's really simple. But like I keep saying, if you're extracting capped honey, you really don't need this because the bees did the work for you. So anyways, get yourself a refractometer. Have a little bit of fun with it. Teach yourself something. So anyways, that's my story. Hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you liked this video. I appreciate you watching the videos. Consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that little button right there, subscribe. If you do subscribe, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. You click that bell, you'll get notified the next time one of these videos comes out. So that's it for now, YouTube. Like I said, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.